because there are so many platforms, Bumble, Tinder, where people are swiping right, left, Shaadi.com, even Shaadi, and trust me, finding a soulmate is so difficult. How to manifest a soul?
You become a person who can attract the other person. For came all the way from Delhi to Bangalore
Oh,
just to convince me, to tell me that things can really work out.
क्या हम अपने ex को भी manifest कर सकते हैं?
A relationship is more like a mirror, I would say.
Hmm.
The other person is always at all times showing you something about you. The child doesn't think that, am I worthy of the milk that I'm asking my mother for? Am I worthy of this? Do I deserve this or not? And there is a maximum limit that is set to what we can ask for.
हंग्री वो यूनिवर्स के लिए देना is very like piece of cake for the universe.
A person does to take you away from your authenticity is a red flag.
Okay, so बहुत सारी YouTube पे वीडियोस है जहाँ पे वो बोलते हैं 2 दिन में मैनिफेस्ट करे एक कार.
Ask them, do they have it for themselves? Probably the answer would be no. See, never about the technique. It's always going to be about the faith.
It's always going to be about the faith. So कई बार वो लोगों के लिए भी वर्क कर जाएगा कि लोग एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड बोल रहे हैं और वो चीज़ उनकी लाइफ में आ जाएगी. पर ऐसा क्यों होता है? मैनिफेस्टेशन किसी के लिए वर्क करती है, किसी के लिए नहीं वर्क करती.
Manifestation is working all the time. What is manifesting is important here.
कहा था कि दिव्या ने अपने सोलमेट को मैनिफेस्ट किया था.
नहीं होती मतलब मैं इसको ही देखूंगा, ऐसे देखूंगा.
Hi everybody, welcome to Self Love in 60 Seconds podcast. Today we have another very special guest with us. Her name is Divya. She's a certified manifestation coach and also a healer. She has around 60,000 people following her content on different platforms, and she is transforming lives through manifestation, through law of attraction, and through different techniques related to the same. So, hello Divya, how are you?
Hi, Megha, I'm good.
Divya, tell us about your story. What's your life story? Who are you? Who's Divya?
Okay. So Divya is okay. So this reminds me of when I was thinking of this question, and I was thinking to myself, who am I? And that was the moment when it all started for me. Everything disappeared, Megha. My name, my profession, my relationships, everything just disappeared, and I was like sitting here as pure awareness, but I wouldn't go to the depth in terms of the spiritual stuff here. Who I feel I am on an essence is a truth-seeking wayfarer.
Okay, somebody who wants to know life beyond what the world is telling you.
Yes.
What the world notion is, पैसे कमाने हैं, अच्छा घर लेना है, अच्छी कार लेनी है, but life कई बारी way beyond that होती है, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so where is it coming from? हर जना ऐसे नहीं सोचता. I have a lot of friends जिन्हें फोकस है जॉब करनी है, शादी करनी है, बच्चे करने हैं, फिर एक स्टेज आएगा जब लाइफ खत्म हो जाएगी.
Right.
Where is it coming from for you specifically? क्या मोमेंट हुआ ऐसा लाइफ में कि आपने इस चीज़ के बारे में सोचा?
So this goes back to 2018 probably. That was the time when I was like completely tired of not understanding what's happening in my life. My relationships were a mess, like I shared with you earlier. My money situation was such that
What was your money situation?
my money situation is I was making way too less than I felt my potential was. I was stuck in a job where I wasn't happy. Like I shared, both of my siblings, they are doctors, right?
Yeah,
so it was
doctor.
expected of me to pursue science and be the same like them.
Yeah.
I wasn't at all interested in pursuing sciences, yet I did my graduation in sciences. But I was always keen on understanding the human mind, where the behavior is coming from, why do we do what we do. Some people, they have everything, yet they're so despondent in their heads. What's going on?
ये आपने सोचना कब start किया? What was that one incident which
I
hit
guess
you?
there's no one incident, Megha. I was always oriented this way. I remember I was sitting on my terrace when I was a little kid, and we had a house help. So back then, our house help, she used to bring her little daughter.
Kids, हाँ.
So the little daughter was sitting and watching TV. I was the one who was feeling so bad for her that she's not as fortunate as I am. Why does this happen? Why are people not lucky? Some people, they're not lucky. Life is unfair to some people. So
Yeah.
I remember that I always was this person who used to think deeper about my life, and my mother was like, oh my god, how are you like this? Why do you
Exactly.
keep thinking about this stuff? Be
Yeah.
happy, go play.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting, I'm writing poems, and I'm like talking about deep stuff nobody understands
Nobody
in my
understands.
family.
Exactly.
Everybody is so my siblings, they're talking about, you know, friends, career.
Yeah, party culture.
I am talking about deep inner peace, you know, meditation, awakening the third eye as a little child.
Yeah, and then people can start considering you mad.
Mad.
आपके साथ हुआ था
For
ऐसा?
sure. For
है ना?
sure. Yeah, so it used to happen.
So, you told me that you believe in the power of manifestation.
I do.
So, do you think you can manifest a soulmate also?
Yeah,
Yeah?
for sure.
How to do it? Because there are so many platforms, Bumble, Tinder, where people are swiping right, left, Shaadi.com, Jeevan Saathi, and trust me, since I am going through this process, a lot of people are going through this process. It is not easy. आपको शादी के पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट से ही डर लगने लग जाता है कि यार छोड़ो, करनी नहीं है शादी.
Right.
इस पूरे फील्ड में जहाँ पे शादी करना, finding a soulmate is so difficult. How to manifest a soulmate?
Okay, so to manifest a soulmate, I would say you gotta vibrate at that frequency. I don't want to use these terms because they might sound like a jargon. What I mean here is, let's say you want somebody who respects you, right? But right now you don't respect yourself. You're operating at a low self-worth level. You want somebody to come into your life and you're thinking about this person who's going to be like respectful, confident, is earning good money. There are certain criteria that everybody has a preference for,
Yeah.
right? Should look in a certain way. These are the
Yes.
preferences. So you gotta be somebody who can attract this person. So for example, I'll just take a simple example. For example, there is some meetha, right? It's sitting on the table. Would the ants not come to it automatically?
It will, obviously.
Right.
Yeah.
So you just keep it there, the ants would come.
Yeah.
That's the algorithm of the universe.
Oh.
That's how the meetha is not doing anything, it's not saying something. It's
Come
not,
to me, come
Yeah.
to me. Okay, so you just start becoming that person and then you start attracting that person.
Right.
You
right.
start becoming who you want in your life and then
Yes.
you will attract
So
the similar person.
Not necessarily do you become the other person. You become a person who can attract the other person. For example, just think of a man who you want in your life, right?
Like a person who believes in himself, who's passionate, who is loyal, who's
Okay.
trustworthy.
Right.
Yeah.
So what kind of a girl would he be looking for?
A loyal girl who's passionate, a girl who's respectful.
Right.
And then you start becoming that person and then
Yes.
आपकी लाइफ में वही जाना आता
Yes.
रहेगा. But ऐसा बहुत बारी होता है. Like I was attracting a lot of people who were very negative and toxic. Like एक जने ने मुझे बोला था तुम podcasting छोड़ दो. There was another guy who was very toxic, not respectful. So are you saying that somewhere in my life I was rejecting parts of myself जो ऐसे trait के थे?
You already know that.
Yeah. Okay, so any person who's listening to us right now, अगर आप अपना soulmate manifest करना चाहते हो, start becoming that person.
Yes, start becoming the person who the other person would want in their life.
Start having the traits.
Yes, start
And
having the traits.
अगर आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा वो traits कैसे लाओगे, I'm sure visualization is a key method कि आप कैसे ला सकते
It's
हो.
an amazing way.
We'll talk about it.
Yeah.
But you have manifested your soulmate, right? The guy is sitting in our studio. We'll be showing you. So, कैसे करा manifest? What's your story?
My story, it goes back to the college days. But like I said, the love story didn't begin in the college.
Okay.
So we were studying together in graduation. So he has a similar kind of story. He didn't want to do the graduation that we did together, you know. I wasn't
Okay.
interested in science, he wasn't either. So we were friends, 3 of us. We have another friend. We had a trio.
Okay.
So we were like always chilling together and things like that. But he had major burdens from family. His father, he passed away very early. So he had a lot of responsibilities. We never thought about entering into a relationship or something. I went for my post-graduation. We didn't meet. We didn't talk for 6 years.
Okay.
No touch point at all.
Okay.
We meet in 2022 again. Right after 2016. So
Were you manifesting him at that point of time?
yeah, I'll come to that.
Yeah, yeah.
What I was thinking always, Megha, is I believe that I didn't want to visualize a specific person, because what if the person is not right for me and I'm telling the universe that give me this person. What if they're not right for me. So I'm always talking about the traits that I want in my partner. So 2022, I had just come out of a very toxic, it's a very common word, I don't want to use it so often. It was a relationship where the person wouldn't take a stand, was not an action taker, very heartbroken. So that's the phase that I was in. So we were just meeting, me and the college friends, we were meeting for a get together, just because they wanted to, you know, pump me up, and we were just you know, meeting after so long, everybody, after 16 to 22. That day, my husband, he proposed to me for marriage.
Okay, you were not even in contact with him
Not
for
in contact for 6 years.
फिर ये कैसे करा, क्यों
And
करा?
everybody told me on that particular day that this guy has been in love with you for all these years. He's never spoken to any other girl, never had a relationship. He was waiting because I was in a relationship, right? So he couldn't say anything. Now that he knows that I'm out of it and I'm heartbroken as well, and you know, so I told him a clear no because I wasn't in that state clearly.
Then आपने manifest कैसे किया?
Yeah, so that's what. See, manifestation is not necessarily an action that you take. People have a notion about it that it's just an action that you're always taking. It's your vibration.
So do you think he has the traits that you were wanting in your life partner?
All of them.
Like give us an
All of
example.
them.
ऐसा कोई different trait जो कि आप ही imagine कर सकते हो, which is not applicable generally. Like loyalty वगैरह तो हर जने में होता है.
Right. नहीं, हर जने में नहीं होता.
हाँ, actually हर जने में नहीं होता. Sorry, I'm correcting it. हर जने में नहीं होता. I've met people who are not
So,
loyal.
Yeah.
I've met a lot of people who are not loyal. Yes.
Right. So he was an action taker. Complete masculine energy that I was always yearning for.
Okay.
In the previous relationships, I was wounded and I had to be in my masculine energy. I had to be the action taker. I had to be the provider. I had to be the planner. I always wanted to rest in my femininity where
Relax,
somebody
chill.
takes action for me, somebody provides for me, and I can be the compassionate person that I am.
And he's that person.
He is definitely an embodiment of divine masculine that I could have ever imagined. So I was sharing that, you know, I said I don't want to, not even think about it. I'm not in the mental space. I went to Bangalore for some projects.
Then you said yes to him later? Yes.
That's how I'm married
yeah.
to him.
So आपको कैसे पता लगा कि यही जना है? वो
Yeah.
कैसे पता लगा?
Right. So it happened when I went to Bangalore, right? So he was in Delhi. He came all the way from Delhi to Bangalore.
Oh,
Just to convince me, to tell me that, you know, things can really work out. I was very skeptical. I had fear.
yeah.
So people say that you cannot manifest if you have negative emotions,
Yeah,
right? That's
yeah.
totally not true. The universe gives you what you believe in. It's not necessarily that you can always think positive, always feel positive. That's not possible. If you're doing that, either you're suppressing your emotions or you're negating your thoughts. So definitely there was fear, but on a deeper level, I believed that I deserve a person who can totally be there for me and can be, you know, my partner that I really want. So that's how.
I feel fear हमेशा रहता है and जब आपका faith fear से ज़्यादा strong होता है ना, तो आपको लगता है डर आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, मेरा faith मुझे कुछ गलत नहीं provide करेगा life में, right?
Yes.
And that's
So
what
the
happens.
deeper belief was that I
deserve it.
Yeah.
And to girls and guys both कि अगर आप अपने ऊपर self doubt कर रहे हो और आप बार बार अट्रैक्ट करो ऐसा बंदा जो टॉक्सिक है, जो लॉयल नहीं है, कहीं ना कहीं बैठ के ऑब्जर्व करो कि आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम क्या है. एंड आई फील यार ये बिलीफ सिस्टम ना बहुत बारी हमारे आसपास की सराउंडिंग से आता है. जैसे समझो हमने अगर अपने आसपास अपने पेरेंट्स को देखा है कि वो फाइट करते रहते हैं, तो हमें लगेगा यार मेरे को भी शायद ऐसा ही हस्बैंड मिलेगा. या फिर हमने देखा है कि आजकल ऐसा कल्चर बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया पार्टीज में, इतने अलग अलग कंसेप्ट बन गए, ओपन रिलेशनशिप जहाँ पे लोग दे आर हैविंग एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर एंड स्पेसिफिकली आई been outside, I've stayed outside India, so वहाँ पे it's very common. उन्हें ये गलत लगता ही नहीं यार क्या हो गया open relationship है. So we start normalizing the toxic culture. We don't believe.
Right.
So it's very important to have that belief system.
Absolutely.
So when we talk, मेरी friend मेरे पास आई, she's my best friend, and she's like, मीरा मैंने Instagram पे ना बहुत अच्छी ट्रिक सीखी है. आप ये ट्राइंगल बनाओ, इसमें कुछ लिखो, and आपका ex आपको 1 घंटे में कॉल करेगा. And I was like, what is she even talking about?
Right.
But उसकी वो ट्रिक वर्क कर गई. उसे लिटरली 1 घंटे बाद किसी एक पर्टिकुलर जाने की कॉल आया. तो क्या ये सारी ट्रिक्स वर्क करती है और इज इट जस्ट अ गिमिक?
Right. So, Megha, every technique would ultimately go back to your belief.
ओके.
The universe has a language, right? The language is feelings. The universe understands, reads your vibration, reads your state of being at that point in time, your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and actions. That is what's being read at every single point. So if probably she felt it so deeply, she believed that he's definitely gonna call, she had such a strong faith, and the other person was also okay with doing it, you know, not resisting it. So you sometimes if you think of it like this, you're thinking of someone, right?
Yeah.
And they suddenly call you.
Yeah, it happens a
Because-
lot of time.
Yeah, because the universe is, we are all connected on an energetic level. Everything is energy, right? So you send out a vibration, thoughts are just energy, electric waves. So they're being sent out, the other person is feeling it at the same time, and they respond to it.
आई गॉट इट. सो एक और चीज़ है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमने मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया अपना सोलमेट, अब हमारे साथ हमारा सोलमेट है, मैरिड टू द परफेक्ट मैन जिसे मुझे चाहिए था, बट बहुत बार ऐसा होता है स्टार्टिंग का हनीमून पीरियड ना, इट्स ऑल लवी लवी वाओ क्लाउड नाइन, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस आ जाते हैं जहाँ पे आपको लगता है यार कि शायद मैंने गलत जना तो मैनिफेस्ट नहीं कर लिया, फिर इज इट इवन राइट? हाउ टू सस्टेन दैट, और इज इट आवर ओन बिलीफ सिस्टम जो हमें ब्लॉक कर देते हैं? What do you think about it?
Great question, Megha. So, see, a relationship is a place where a relationship is more like a mirror, I would say. The other person is always at all times showing you something about you. So when you're fighting with them, something is triggering you, right? There is something inside you that's getting triggered, right? For example, some of their behaviors, they said something about you.
Yeah.
You got hurt because there was something inside you. So they're always pointing at those
Parts
wounds,
of you.
Parts
Can
of
we
you.
heal the parts?
Yes, definitely.
You're a healer, right? And how can it be healed? Through Reiki or through, there are methods to heal it?
There are a lot of methods, and more than calling myself a healer, I say that I'm more like a facilitator who facilitates the process of healing. We heal ourselves. God heals us. The universe, the higher intelligence. What we can rather do is, what I can help people do is get to those parts within you where the intelligence lies already. You see the wounds and you heal it with intelligence. So ultimately the concept of healing would always be in that you were always whole when you were born. The child doesn't think that, you know, am I worthy of the milk that I'm asking my mother for? But as we grow up, there is a lot of conditioning that comes. There are a lot of limiting beliefs that are put in by people, right? So we start to believe, am I worthy of this? Do I deserve this or not? And there is a maximum limit that is set to what we can ask for. I want this X amount of income. Oh, people tell me that's so difficult, so I also start believing in it.
It's difficult, yeah.
Yeah, so healing lies in believing that I was always whole. It's just that I've put those bars on myself, removing or releasing those bars and getting to your wholeness once again.
And I would like to add on here, a lot of time people believe यार मैं अगर यूनिवर्स से ये मांग रहा हूँ ना तो यूनिवर्स किसी और से लेके मुझे मांग रहा है, like there is scarcity in the world कि यार मैं तो यूनिवर्स से समझो I want 1 crore in 3 months. अगर मेरे को 1 crore मिल जाएगा तो बाकी लोगों को कैसे मिलेगा यार? अगर मैं यूनिवर्स को कह रहा हूँ मुझे 4 विलास सेल करने हैं दुबई में तो बाकी लोग कैसे सेल करेंगे? बट हम ये नहीं रियलाइज करते वो जो हम चीज़ मांग रहे हैं वो यूनिवर्स के लिए देना इज वेरी पीस ऑफ केक फॉर द यूनिवर्स. सो हमें अपना बिलीफ सिस्टम, आई थिंक हर बात बहुत बारी कन्वर्सेशन में होते हैं, इट्स एवरीथिंग इज comes down to belief.
Your beliefs.
Okay, so let's talk more about different type of traits जो लोगों के होते हैं when we come into a relationship. जब भी कुछ है ना मैरिज के लिए कुछ फाइंड करा है, we have heard about red flags, we have heard about green flags. What would you say is a red flag and a green flag? अगर आप एक्सप्लेन करना चाहो, ऐसे कौन से traits होते हैं जो red flag में आएंगे, कौन से traits green flag में आएंगे?
So to me, Megha, anything that a person does to take you away from your authenticity is a red flag. For example, like you said, somebody said stop your podcast,
Yeah,
right? Because you want to do it, it's your deep innate desire.
yeah,
The universe wants to manifest it through you,
Yeah.
and somebody's stopping you from doing that.
Exactly.
Similarly, if you say to somebody, don't do this, don't be like this, when you are questioning their authentic self, feels like a red flag to me. But at the same time, when we are in that relationship, it's difficult to see that.
Yeah.
So the only thing that we can do is be your fullest,
Self.
authentic, most self. And if somebody is trying to stop you from being that, work around
बट
that.
कई बार ना लोग इसे जस्टिफाई करते हैं, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बी योर वेल विशर एंड ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव यू. लाइक आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज दिस गाय हु यूज्ड टू टेल कि don't behave like this, behave in a certain manner. And that girl used to feel very awkward कि मेरे को change करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. Then the guy started justifying it. It's a party culture. I'm just trying to make you more groom. I'm trying to groom you.
Right.
So जब उस लोग उसे उस category में justify करते हैं, we're doing it for your betterment.
Right.
How to understand कि उनकी intention क्या है?
Right. So Megha, this again takes me back to my relationship and to Dush, my husband.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I was very skeptical. The skepticism didn't end right on the day of marriage. I was skeptical a bit even after the marriage. I was
Oh.
scared. I was scared that, what if it turns out to be not good enough, or what if I am at stake, my
Yes.
personality, what I want to do. What started to happen is, this guy, he is such a personality that I started to be inspired by him. He never said that don't be scared, because it was clear that I was very skeptical. He could clearly tell me that you're still skeptical, we're married, there's a trouble in the relationship because of you, but he never did that. He gave me the space, he gave me the time. I got so inspired by him.
Yeah.
How trusting he is of the relationship, I started to change after being inspired by him. So if you want to change somebody, you're a well-wisher, right? Human's mind is such that if you tell me to do something, I will not do it. There is a rebelliousness in all of
Yes,
us,
yes.
on certain level.
Yeah.
We can only change if we are inspired by you. I can model your
Exactly.
behaviors if I feel that,
Yeah, that's good enough
as
for
soon
me.
as I came, I said, oh, she's so well groomed, Megha is so well dressed, I'm gonna model it sometime. So I got inspired by you there.
Exactly.
That's how.
It should come from inspiration and not somebody just
Pushing
demanding
you,
you,
yeah.
pushing you, do this,
Right.
do it my way or highway kind of a thing.
Yes.
So अभी बहुत beautiful concept था. Beautiful, actually I'll call it as a weird concept personally. Red flag, green flag. Another term that has come up, beige flag.
Beige flag.
क्या होता है beige flag यार? What is a beige flag?
I am somebody, Megha, who says that I don't want to believe in a lot of terms. What happens with me is, when you subscribe to something, right? When you start to believe in a lot of terms, you're always wanting to fit your life in these terms, right? There's no space for something else.
Yeah.
So even in spiritual world, people would call themselves a certain way, meditate a certain way, this is called X, this is called Y. I'm like, let life breathe, man.
Exactly. Get out of the
Get out of
jargons.
concepts, get out and start to live. Don't subscribe to everything that you watch on the social media, what everybody else is doing. Your relationship is your relationship, trust it. Somebody else posted that, my man tells me not to dress up like this. Now your man is also telling you not to dress up like this, but you don't check his intent, you're just considering him a red flag. Maybe the situation is completely different here. You're stepping out in a colony which is not safe for you. Maybe. There could be certain areas which is, maybe there are mosquitoes, right? And he's asking you not to wear this dress.
Yeah.
God, it's not stereotyping all the time.
See the intention, wait,
Yes.
pause. इतना ज़्यादा,
And trust yourself, your own wisdom.
आपको टेक्निक आप चाहे कुछ भी अडॉप्ट कर लो, आपको प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहना पड़ेगा. और प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में जब आप आ जाते हो उस फ्लो स्टेट में, तो आप कोई भी टेक्निक अडॉप्ट करो, वो तो मैनिफेस्ट होएगा ही होएगा. Okay, that's deep. Okay, so I recently saw a video of Alia Bhatt. आलिया भट्ट ने अपनी वीडियो में शेयर करा अबाउट विजुअलाइजेशन कि वो मिरर के सामने जाती है एंड शी विजुअलाइजेस रिसीविंग एन अवार्ड. ओके, सो आई नो विजुअलाइजेशन वर्क. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट विजुअलाइजेशन?
It's an amazing technique, Megha. It takes you to that state where you can embody your future self's energy. And when you do that, your thoughts, feelings, actions and behaviors, they differ from how they are right now, right? Because now you're embodying the future self's energy. You're seeing yourself already having that reality which you always wanted. So it's a very powerful technique, because with that imagination, with that visualization, you're charging up all your senses. you see, you hear, you feel as if it has happened already, and you start living from the end. That's the most amazing thing. Like I said, that's the language of the universe, right? The universe reads your vibration at all times. Now you've shifted your vibration to that
Level.
wish fulfilled state, right? So now the universe reads it, and it gets given to you. You receive it.
ओके सो जब हम विजुअलाइजेशन की बात करते हैं इट्स नॉट जस्ट आंखें बंद करके वो पिक्चर इमेजिन करना बट ऑल्सो एडिंग एलिमेंट्स ऑफ क्या देख रहे हो
Yeah.
क्या सुनाई दे रहा है
Right.
क्या फील कर रहे हो
Right.
क्या टेक्सचर्स है
Yes.
उस पर्टिकुलर
Yes.
जगह में
Yes.
जब आप इन चीज़ों को कंबाइन करते हो आपकी विजुअलाइजेशन बहुत स्ट्रांग हो
बहुत स्ट्रांग हो
जाती है
जाती है.
बट जब हम विजुअलाइजेशन की बात करते हैं बहुत सारे लोग विजन बोर्ड की बात करते हैं क्या आपने बनाया कभी विजन बोर्ड
बना है.
क्या विजन बोर्ड वर्क करता है
For sure.
क्या विजन बोर्ड में ऐसी चीज़ थी जो आपके लिए वर्क करी है
Almost everything, Megha. So I had pictures of being in a happy marriage on my vision board. I had the picture of a car. I had the picture of being featured on a TV channel. That recently happened. All of that, you know. Vision board, again, like any other technique. Whichever technique can get you into the feeling of the wish fulfilled state, as if it has happened already for you, is gonna work magics. For some people, they're not visual at all. They
Yeah.
can't just think, they can't settle down and think and see. So probably a vision board will not work for them. Rather, feeling as if it has happened for them
Will
is
work.
gonna work.
But
equally
how
well.
to make a right vision board? Like what I do is I have like मैं Pinterest से बहुत सारी pictures save करती हूँ. I make that thing as my wallpaper and I obviously wallpaper और phone तो हमारे हाथों में हमेशा होते हैं.
Right.
So that's my way of making a vision board.
Right.
What is a right way, or is there a right way or not?
So again, depends on person to person what their orientation is. Some people, like I said, are very visual. Some people want to get to the specifics of how exactly
A vision board is
which
made.
color car would they want. Some people are very generic, you know, I just want a happy marriage. They can put a random image and it would invoke the same feelings in them.
Okay.
But eventually, how I create a vision board is I first sit and meditate.
Okay.
You know? Then I see what is my deepest desire, because a lot of times the kind of world that we are living in, right, there's a lot of noise. Megha tells me that you gotta dress a certain way. Now it's my desire to dress a certain way. But is it my desire? Not at all. I gotta shed all of that first and come to my authentic desires, because you cannot manifest something until it's your desire. That's
Got
how
it.
people say that, you know, this particular goal is very difficult for me to manifest. This manifested so easily for me, because that was not at all your goal in the first place. You were manifesting it because you were comparing yourself to somebody else who has that. Probably you don't want that kind of money. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't. So sitting, meditating, coming to your authentic desires. What is it that I want to manifest? What is the universe wanting to manifest through me?
And then you need to add these pictures.
Yeah, so you go to probably Google, Pixabay, Pixels, or whatever website you use. Find an image that resonates the most with your deepest desire, right?
ओके लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे मैनिफेस्ट करना है अ वेकेशन इन पेरिस सो बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स आ जाती हैं
Right.
फिर आप कह रहे हो उसमें एक पर्टिकुलर पिक्चर सेलेक्ट करो जिससे आप
Yes.
रेजोनेट कर रहे
Yeah,
हो
something invokes a feeling in you, right?
Yeah.
That you know, oh, this is my kind of picture.
या गॉट इट एंड आई ऑल्सो हर्ड कि डोंट पुट अ स्टैटिक पिक्चर कि सिर्फ वो दिख रहा है पुट अ पिक्चर जहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है कि आप उसमें आपके एंगल से वो कैसे दिखेगी
Right,
पिक्चर
right, right.
सो यू सेड मेडिटेटिंग हैविंग अ क्लैरिटी क्लियर माइंडसेट कि what do you exactly want to visualize and achieve in life, and third is add a lot of pictures to it, and then that's a perfect vision board.
Right,
Idea.
right. Something that can invoke a feeling in you.
Something that can invoke a feeling in you, and then you have to see it every day.
Yeah, see it every day. Most importantly, before sleeping and right after waking up, because that's when the doors to the subconscious mind are open.
Okay.
When you look at that, when you feel as if it has happened already for you, that's how it goes deeper in you.
Subconscious mind क्या होता है and conscious mind क्या होता है?
So, think of a mango. Can you right now?
Yeah.
Imagine its taste.
Yeah.
It's not here in front of you, right?
Yeah. it's
But you
not-
could still do it.
Yeah.
Where was the taste stored? Where were the images stored?
In memory.
That's the subconscious mind. Whatever is not conscious right now, whatever you're not using, for example, you're using this thought or maybe certain
yeah.
things are in your current memory, current vocabulary. Rest of all of it is in the subconscious
Subconscious.
mind of Chetan, which is not active right now, which is unconscious right now, you know. So
Okay.
all your memories, all your childhood things, all of the conditioning, your beliefs, everything is in the subconscious.
क्या हम अपने लाइफ में बहुत बार अपनी लाइफ को सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से चला रहे होते हैं?
Mostly.
Okay.
Until and unless you make it conscious,
Hmm.
till that point everything is unconscious.
Unconscious.
You're talking to people and probably you were triggered and that's how you're talking to them. For example, there was deep rooted anger in you. Some people, if you've seen, they'll be angry with certain kind of people. For example, some females would be angry with most of the males, right? So why does this happen is because probably they faced some trauma with men. So they don't know that they're doing it consciously, it's happening unconsciously. This
Unconsciously.
anger is an unconscious behavior coming out of that trauma that happened.
Got it. And अभी दिलजीत दोसांझ ने बहुत अच्छी लाइन बोली थी, your world becomes whatever you think, your thoughts are your world.
Yeah.
So it's very important to observe what are you thinking. What
Right.
is your take on this?
For sure, what you think, feel, and act like I said, what you deeply believe in is what your world will look like. Your outer world is only and only a reflection of your inner world. Whatever is going on inside you is going to manifest outside. That's how simple it is.
That's how simple it is. Wonderful. So जैसे कि आपने कहा आपने अपने soulmate को manifest करा हुआ है. Again, I think I'll skip this question because I've understood the answer. There are no techniques.
There are no
Yeah, there are no techniques. It's just being that person. You start attracting the same person in your life. What do you
But again,
think?
not demeaning the techniques, they play a very important role, because initially when you're starting this journey, right, they act like anchors, these techniques. So for example, visualization. Every single day you're sitting and you're getting yourself into that feeling.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful way to attune yourself in that energy. So all the techniques are amazing in a way, but eventually, like I said, the ultimate aim is to make you believe as if
Okay.
it has happened.
I can understand. अब मुझे जाके ओपरा की वो लाइन याद आई है, आई डोंट नीड अ विजन बोर्ड टू विजुअलाइज. ओपरा ने बोला था, बिकॉज आप एक ऐसी स्टेज पे अटेन कर जाते हो जहाँ पे आपको किसी टेक्निक की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती विजुअलाइज करने के लिए, राइट?
Right.
वाओ, वंडरफुल. ओके, सो बहुत सारी यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस है जहाँ पे वो बोलते हैं 2 दिन में मैनिफेस्ट करे एक कार, 3 दिन में और 1 घंटे में मैनिफेस्ट करे 1 करोड़ रुपए. व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दीज वीडियोस जो लोग बना रहे हैं?
Ask them, do they have it for themselves? Probably the answer would be no. See,
Yeah, that's a good question. Good counter question.
again, not demeaning anybody. And manifestation, it's not that you cannot manifest something in 2 days.
You
Not
can.
at all. The universe doesn't have higher limits. You only have higher limits. So as soon as you can convince yourself, your subconscious, to believe in something, you can have it. My clients, they've had amazing breakthroughs. I don't like to talk about myself a lot, but my clients, because that's where the real magic.
Talk about your clients. I would love to know कि आपके clients ने क्या क्या manifest करा है ताकि लोग जो सुन रहे हैं वो और ज़्यादा believe करें manifestation की. उन्हें ये ना लगे कि कुछ set of people है वही manifest कर सकते हैं.
Right.
People, I think people coming from different backgrounds also, any place, anywhere can
Right.
manifest.
Right. So, one of my clients, he was able to manifest 50-60 lakhs, if money is such an important thing, in 3 months. A revenue.
Okay.
While he was stuck at a certain career stage for the last 6 years.
Okay.
And he was not seeing any way around. So, he got a job change, which was seeming impossibly for him at that point in time. Got a 90% hike. Made
90% high.
90% hike and 50-60 lakhs in revenue.
Was he visualizing it?
We were doing a lot of stuff, and more than this, we were working on deep inner issues that he was facing since
Core.
childhood. The
Yeah.
core, we were working on the core, because until and unless you address the root cause, Megha, is you cannot visualize also, you cannot get into that state also if there is a lot of junk already sitting inside you.
Correct. I think I'll explain it through. I can relate it with an example here. जैसे एक प्लांट ग्रो करता है, राइट? अगर प्लांट की रूट्स ही स्ट्रांग नहीं है,
Right.
आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो उसमें फ्लावर्स
Yeah.
फ्रूट्स ग्रो करेंगे,
Yeah,
राइट?
right.
द रूट्स नीड्स टू बी सो स्ट्रांग, आपका
Absolutely.
कोर इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि आप कुछ भी किसी भी टाइप के प्लांट बन सकते हो वंस योर कोर इज स्ट्रांग, यू नो हु यू आर.
Right.
एंड समटाइम्स कई बार ये लोगों को बहुत डीप या बहुत स्टूपिड बातें लगेंगी, बट आई फील वी आर मोर देन जस्ट द थिंग्स दैट वर्ल्ड हमें बता रहा है
Right.
कि आपको
Right.
पैसे कमाने हैं, आपको प्रोफेशन करना है, ये करना है, लाइफ
Right.
खत्म हो जाती है.
Right.
बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो नॉलेज दे रहे हैं आजकल कि देयर इज मोर टू लाइफ.
Absolutely.
एंड जितना ज़रूरी है लर्न करना, उतना ही ज़रूरी है अनलर्न करना कई चीज़ें लाइफ में जो हमें आसपास के लोगों ने बार बार बोल के
Right.
बता दी है.
Right. Very important point here to unlearn because
Things.
there's a lot of conditioning that has happened which has put in a lot of limiting beliefs in us. So you got to remove, release, and get out of that.
सो पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू अस, आई वुड रिकमेंड यू, अगर आपको भी लगता है कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आप अचीव नहीं कर पा रहे, सिट विद योर सेल्फ एंड थिंक अबाउट कि क्या कोई ऐसे लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है जो चाइल्डहुड से या किसी भी बाहर के ट्रिगर से आपके माइंड में आ रही है,
Right.
राइट?
Yeah.
दैट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट.
Yeah.
एंड ऑल्सो एक जो लिमिटेड बिलीफ है मैनिफेस्टेशन, जो वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे लोग बहुत ज़्यादा देखते हैं कि मनी कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं, पैसा कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करे. एंड देर आर रिनाउंड एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हु आर सेइंग से दिस वर्ड, आई वोंट से द वर्ड, से दिस वर्ड, आपके पास पैसा चल के आएगा, राइट?
Right.
कैसे मनी मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं?
So Megha, I don't again trust in overnight manifestations, not at all. But again, maybe it works for people. For me, eventually it always goes down to your faith. If saying one word can trigger so much faith in you, can awaken so much faith in you,
वो आ
it will
जाएगा.
manifest for you. If writing something in your diary 55 times for 5 days can trigger so much faith in you, that will manifest for you. Again, never about the technique, it's always going to be about the faith.
इट्स ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट द फेथ. सो कई बार वो लोगों के लिए भी वर्क कर जाएगा कि लोग एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड बोल रहे हैं and वो चीज़ उनकी लाइफ में आ जाएगी.
right.
पर ऐसा क्यों होता है? मैनिफेस्टेशन किसी के लिए वर्क करती है, किसी के लिए नहीं वर्क करती, इवन दो दे आर हैविंग अ कोर बिलीफ कि नहीं, आई डिजर्व दैट. व्हाट इज दैट मिस्टेक दे आर मेकिंग, या ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो स्टॉप करिए अदर देन द लिमिटेड बिलीफ? उसके अलावा क्या चीज़ स्टॉप कर सकती है लोगों को?
So Megha, it does not happen that manifestation is not working. It's always working. It's like the law of gravity.
अगर आपने
Always at
कुछ गिराया
operation.
वो नीचे गिरेगा ही.
आपने कुछ गिराया वो नीचे गिरेगा.
फिर ऐसा
It's
कैसे
law of
होता है?
gravity.
लोग, कई लोग मैनिफेस्ट कर पाते हैं, कई लोग नहीं कर पाते.
Right. So manifestation is working all the time. What is manifesting is important here.
ओके.
You wanted a car, but or let's say you wanted a good outing with your partner. What manifested for you was a fight with your partner.
या हाउ?
Why did that happen is because the kind of thoughts that you were thinking, the kind of fears that probably you were operating at, the kind of emotions, the kind of vibration that you were sending out, the universe only reads that, right? Internally, you were feeling undeserving of that outing,
या
and so the fight manifested. Manifestation happened. What manifested depends on your vibration.
ओह, तो आप जो भी सोच रहे हो बी अवेयर अबाउट इट.
Yes.
क्योंकि जो आप सोच रहे हो, चाहे नेगेटिव सोच रहे हो इस समय, चाहे पॉजिटिव सोच रहे हो,
वो
मैनिफेस्ट
manifest
तो
होगा
हो ही
ही.
रहा है.
Yes.
सो ऑल द पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू अस एंड व्यूइंग अस, ऑब्जर्व योर थॉट्स राइट नाउ. एंड आई वुड पर्सनली रिकमेंड वन टेक्निक जो आपको हेल्प करेगा अपनी थॉट्स को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए. स्टार्ट मेडिटेटिंग. आई हैव बीन मेडिटेटिंग अ लॉट इन माई लाइफ. मैं हर दिन हाफ ना मेडिटेट करती हूँ. दैट्स अ रिचुअल दैट आई हैव एंड इट काम्स यू डाउन. डू यू ऑल्सो मेडिटेट?
Right, I do. I do.
Yeah.
It's been years.
Oh, great. So tell me, what will be your last message to our audience who जो अभी हमें सुन रहे हैं about relationship, about soulmate and कई बार क्या होता है इस पूरी रिलेशनशिप में एक परफेक्ट पार्टनर ढूंढने के चक्कर में ना हम अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं.
Right.
हमें लगता है कोई परफेक्ट जना आएगा एंड एवरीथिंग इज गोना चेंज. ऐसा नहीं होता. इट्स नॉट अ शाहरुख खान की मूवी की वो प्रीति जिंटा को आके सिखा दे कि बी हैप्पी, राइट?
Right.
क्या मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे सारे लोगों को अबाउट लव, अबाउट सोलमेट, अबाउट रिलेशनशिप एंड पीपल हु आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू फाइंड देयर सोलमेट?
It's a very beautiful question, Megha. And when I deal with clients also who are trying to manifest a relationship, the first thing that we always work upon is their self-worth. When do you desperately need somebody is when you're not feeling happy within yourself.
When you need yourself.
When you're not happy with the person who you're always going to be with, that is you, is when you're trying to find somebody, right? when you're happy with yourself, a partner will manifest when you're least looking for them. You know, when you're so happy living your
Oh,
life,
yeah.
a partner would come to fulfill you even more, because you're already fulfilled within. They're complementing you, they're not completing you. You're complete in yourself.
Yeah.
They're going to be there to complement you, add on to the pool of happiness that you've already created. You don't need the happiness from them. They're not going to make you feel special. You're special already, you're fulfilled already. They're just adding on to it. So you two people are coming together to amplify that.
Amplify that. Exactly, and this reminds me, प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने भी बोला था, Nick came to her life जब वो least expect कर रही थी. She was not even thinking about marriage or love or
Yeah,
relationship,
yeah.
and then Nick came
Right,
into her life.
right.
So सही कहा आपने, जब आप नहीं सोच रहे होते, and the important crux is love yourself.
Yes.
जब आप अपने आप को प्यार देने लग जाते हो, अपने आप से वो इतना लव करने लग जाते हो, you
Yeah.
start attracting the right partner.
Right.
So one cool activity that you guys can do today is take yourself out on a date. हम बाहर लोगों के साथ, partners के साथ तो date पे जाते हैं, but it's high time take yourself out on a coffee date. Spend some time with yourself, and don't forget to say to yourself, "Hey self, I love you." And it was wonderful to have you here, and it was an absolute amazing conversation. कई pointers मुझे इतनी deeply खुद realize हुए कि okay, this is where I was even lacking about certain concepts that I had about manifestation.
We all learn from each other.
We all learned from each other. So thank you so much. It
Thank
was
you so much.
wonderful.
Thank you.
And people do subscribe to our channel. And if you would love to, you can also subscribe to like your channel. You can share your channel with us.
For sure.
Yeah, you can tell the audience right now. Divya's.
So the LinkedIn one?
The LinkedIn one and Instagram.
Okay, Divya Kakkad Official is how I am at Instagram, and again the same name on LinkedIn as well. I would love to, be connected with you all.
Okay, so you can also subscribe to Divya's channel, and it was wonderful to have you. Share it in the comment section. आप ऐसा कौन सा new topic चाहते हो जिसके बारे में हम बात करें? And till then, keep loving yourself. Thank you. And in the behind the scenes video, we'll be sharing कि दिव्या ने किसे manifest किया है. So stay tuned. पूरी video end तक देखना.